Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fudge for ice cream. First, gather all your ingredients, including sugar, cocoa, milk, and butter. Next, combine these in a saucepan and cook them carefully. Ensure you reach the correct temperature for perfect consistency. Finally, cool the fudge and store it properly for later enjoyment. This simple process yields a wonderful topping. To begin, you'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar and 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Also, have 1 cup of milk and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter ready. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for that essential flavor. These basic items are the foundation for your rich, homemade ice cream fudge. Gather everything before you start cooking. Now, combine the sugar, cocoa, milk, and butter in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Place it over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. It's crucial to stir constantly to prevent any scorching on the bottom. Continue cooking until a candy thermometer reads 235 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature ensures the fudge sets perfectly. Once the fudge reaches the correct temperature, remove it from the heat immediately. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, let the fudge cool undisturbed for about 15 minutes. Do not stir during this time. Finally, pour the warm fudge into a clean, heat-safe container. Store it in the refrigerator, and it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.